In this video, I'm going to teach you the difference between Ctrader and Tradelocker so you can choose the best platform for your trading style. Let's break down the features, pricing, and user feedback. Let's get started. First, Ctrader is a powerful trading platform designed for advanced users. It offers features like level 2 pricing, detachable charts, and automated trading through Calgo. Many regulated brokers offer Ctrader at no extra cost, but trading commissions usually apply per lot depending on the broker. Then Tradelocker is a lightweight, cloud-based platform optimized for prop firm traders. It offers a modern interface with minimal clutter, and since it's mainly used via broker or firm partnerships, there's typically no standalone cost. Pricing depends on the firm you're using it with. Next, in terms of user experience, Ctrader is ideal for those needing advanced analysis tools and multiple chart setups. Tradelocker, however, is perfect if you prefer a fast, intuitive interface with fewer distractions. And when it comes to ratings, Ctrader scores 4.6 on Trustpilot, praised for its reliability and pro-level features. Tradelocker scores 4.7, with users loving the ease of use and smooth mobile performance. And that's the full breakdown between Ctrader and Tradelocker. If this helped you choose the right platform, hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical trading guides. See you next time!